how to turn on or turn off bold text on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, swipe up to go down. And in here, tap on Display and Brightness. Next, go down and tap on bold text. Tap on that to make your text in bold. And you can see it here. If I go back to my menu, everything is now in bold. It is stand out very strongly. You can easily see the text. And that's it. So that is how you can make your text in bold, or you can turn it off. So we can go back into display and brightness, and we can switch it off by tapping on the toggle button. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.